Experimentation is the process of using controlled experiments, such as A/B tests, to present different versions of a web page to groups of end users, and making data-backed changes to drive higher conversion rates. Dynamics 365 Commerce has collaborated with Optimizely, a leading enterprise-scale experimentation and experience optimization platform to enable end-to-end experimentation. For this video, we will be using the Commerce connector to Optimizely Fullstack that is coming soon to AppSource. But other third-party experimentation services can be used in its place. Let's begin with an overview of the experimentation journey. For our experiment, we hypothesized that a new promotional hero image on a marketing page will produce more call-to-action conversions than another. In other words, a simple A/B test to see which hero imagery performs better with our customers. The next step is to create a new A/B test in Optimizely, give it a name and description. From here, we can name the variants and set the desired traffic distributions. We'll leave them at 50-50 and save the experiment. Going back to the Site Builder Experiments tab, we click Connect and select the new experiment. This experiment could be run against a page or a fragment. In this example, we select a new page. From here, we can decide if we want to create variants for the whole page or just some of it. In this example, we leave it set to Entire Page and select Next. Exiting the wizard automatically creates the necessary variants and takes us into the Visual Page Builder where we can configure the different variants. Leaving the first variant untouched as the control, we select New Image. Let's double-click the hero image to open the media picker and select the new image. Let's also grab the event ID from the property panel in Site Builder and paste it as the event key in our experiment to create the success metric for the experiment. We then run the experiment, preview the variants in Site Builder to ensure they look great across devices, and publish them to a small portion of the end users as defined earlier. As we can see in this example, 50% of customers will see the first hero image, and the other 50% will see the new hero image. Analytics computed based on live event streams from Commerce show which image persuades customers to click the hero's call to action button better than the other. Users can utilize this data to publish the best performing variant to all their customers. When ready to conclude the experiment, we click Complete Experiment. This provides a link to view the results of our success metric. One variant had a better conversion rate than the other, so back in Site Builder we can promote the winning variant to be the live page version, ending the experiment. All future customers who navigate to this page will see the newly promoted page version, which was chosen based on experimentation data, and will lead to increased conversion rates. This was an example showing the experimentation journey for an e-commerce site author using the latest Dynamics 365 commerce improvements to Site Builder.